Today's top tip video is going to be how we can make our clothes smell nice and be a bit more eco-friendly. So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Thank you so much. Rightio. So, oh yeah, you've guessed it. You can get eco-friendly fabric conditioner, okay? You might be thinking, why do you need eco-friendly fabric conditioner? Because the ones that aren't eco-friendly aren't great for the environment and wildlife, okay? So if you're on the journey like me, where you're trying to become more and more eco-friendly, then if you want to use fabric conditioner, try an eco-friendly one. This one smells lovely. And I've used it already. And if you swap from your normal fabric conditioner to an eco-friendly one, let me know how you get on. I found this smells glorious, so and I'm a bit of a sniffer, so anything that I wash, I'm always like sniffing it to make sure it smells nice. Yeah, I love the smell of fresh laundry. I'm a bit strange like that, so yeah, letting out all my secrets now. So yeah, I hope you like this quick video. Give it a go, let me know how you get on, and don't forget, upcycle or recycle this bottle. Okay, now it can be upcycled for a few things, so when this is empty, I'm going to show you how you can upcycle it and help the planet at the same time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.